Guys, hello guys. This is me, the one who be do teaching of you to take some stuff. So guys, please, but so guys, before you watching this video, can you please like and subscribe because I'm a little YouTuber for this application. So please like and subscribe to my video to get to get 100 or just 10 subscribers. So please subscribe to me guys. Thank you, I appreciate that. So I gonna teach you to to how to how to get a mini uppercut in the strongest body cut. So first you need a 3 punch like and like that. So I hope this helped. So please like subscribe. Thanks.